Do you know it will take a lot of effort to promote your content if you run ads all the time? So, is there a way to reach your audience to promote your content or affiliate products for free? That's what I'll tell you in this video. Hi, I'm Shubhamjeet. Welcome to the 13th over of the Affiliate Marketing T20 series. And in this over, I will tell you how you can promote your content and affiliate products for free. Before I jump in, I'd request you to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss on any updates from myself. Okay, so let's jump in. Okay, so let's look at the steps or the platforms to promote your content for free. As per my experience, four platforms work the best. They are the most powerful platforms to promote your content. Okay, the first one of them is Facebook. On Facebook, you can promote your content in four ways. Number one, you can write a simple text post. Okay, in the text post, you can start with a problem, then aggravate the problem, and then give a solution and call to action. Okay, if you want, you can watch the problem, agitate, solution. Okay, it is called as PAS framework. Okay, you can watch videos on YouTube related to PAS framework, and then you will be able to create content that starts with a problem, then agitates the problem, and then gives a solution, which could be your affiliate product, your content, your video, and so on, and then end with a call to action. Okay, the second way is single image post. You can follow the PAS framework and write the headline, top three problems, solution in one line, and the CTA inside the image post, and then give a click inside the description. Okay, and you can also upload a reel telling people about the problem, telling people about the problem that they face, then agitate the problem, and then give a solution with a call to action. Okay, let's say you help people to generate leads. Okay, so your video could be using the problem, agitate, solution framework. It could be, did you know that 7 out of 10 affiliate marketers earn nothing? And this is due to not collecting leads. According to my experience, if you do not generate leads, you are missing out on a golden opportunity to make commissions and to skyrocket your revenue. So if you want to know how to generate leads for your affiliate marketing business and skyrocket your income, click the link below and watch my training. That's it. A simple 20-30 second video with a call to action. Okay. And the fourth format or the fourth way to promote content for free on Facebook is story. Inside the story, you can write text, you can have an image, or you can have the video. So you can have this post as a story or this video or reel as story. Okay, and then you can use the link sticker and give the link. Okay, so people who watch your story and they're interested, they'll click the link and sign up or buy the product. Okay, so this was about the first way of promoting your content for free. The second method is Instagram. On Instagram, you can promote content in four ways. Number one is a single image post, then carousel. So you can have a carousel. Okay, you can write the top three challenges. Okay, the first slide will be the headline, then three challenges. Then on the fourth slide, you can have a QR code that people will scan and visit your content, watch your video, or attend your training, register for your training. Okay, then a video or reel like we did for Facebook, and then story. Similar to Facebook, you can have a text story, an image story, or a video story. Okay, and inside story, make sure you add that link sticker. Okay, so people can click and view your content. Okay, the third method or the third way for promoting your content for free is LinkedIn. On LinkedIn, you can promote your content in four ways. Number one, simple text post. Number two, single image post. Number three, a carousel. Okay, when you create a carousel for LinkedIn, make sure to download the carousel in the form of a PDF. Okay, if you upload images on LinkedIn, they will appear in the form of a grid. Okay, so download the images in the form of a PDF as a single PDF file, upload it, then it will be a carousel. Okay, and in the last page of the carousel, probably you can have a QR code, or you can have the link in the description. Okay, in the post description. and then you can upload a video. All right. Now, the fourth way of promoting your content for free is my favorite, WhatsApp. On WhatsApp, you can promote your content for free in 3 ways. Number one, you can keep a status in the same way like we did for Facebook and Instagram stories. You can have a text status, image status, or a video status. And since WhatsApp allows you to have a description for image and video, you can place the link, in the description box. Okay. Then the second way is direct message. You can direct message people using the PAS framework with a link. So if they're interested, they'll click and sign up for your training or purchase your product. And then the same goes for group messages. You can create a group, and people who are interested, you can add them to the group and share your product, services, and content. Okay. And those who are interested, they will click and view it. Okay. So these are the 4 methods through which you can promote your content for absolutely free. Yes, you can run ads, and that's what I'll cover in the next video. You can run ads, but if you want to reach your audience for free, these 4 are ideal platforms as per my experience. Okay, but you have to try, test, and experiment and see what works the best for you. Okay, so that was about how to promote your content for free. Now, I want to ask you a question. Do you want to make 1 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees, 3 lakh rupees per month from affiliate marketing? If yes, do you want to sell once and earn repeatedly? There are products with recurring commissions that you can sell once, and until your customers renew the subscriptions, you will make a commission. Okay, so if you want to sell products once and earn repeatedly and make 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh rupees per month, I'd suggest you join my community by clicking the link in the episode description. I'll also pin the link in the first comments, so you can click the link, enroll now, and start learning right away. So that's about this video. I know this was a short video, but in this video, I showed you 4 methods of promoting your content, your affiliate content for free. Okay. If this video provided you with value, please give it a thumbs up and share your feedback in the comments box below. And I also request you to please share the video with people who need help. Okay. So that's about this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.